Okay, the masks, N95 masks, they're hard to get, and I just go to the store this morning. I see a lot of people wearing masks and people having issues with them. The mask that I've been wearing, the elastic band, it hurts my ears. So I'm sure I'm not the only one with these issues. So I was thinking of ways to make a more comfortable mask, something that you might be able to wash. And so those scarves you can get for fishing that help you from the sun, like when you're down in Florida, you can get it at most fishing stores. Um, I've got one of those. So when I was at Walmart, I found these patches you can iron right to it. So I did do that this morning. So I've got one set up. I've tried it on. You can't breathe through it. I think it's going to work. I haven't run it through the laundry or anything. I don't know how long that's going to last, but for now, I think it's a great idea. It's cheap. I think there was like it was actually four patches you can iron on. Those scarves are pretty cheap. I'll go ahead and put it on. You can double this scarf up, so it actually holds the mask down a little better on your face too. So I'll do that here in a second. I'll just kind of grab it. My first go around, so I might get more scarves just to give it a shot, but that's quick. You can double it up right here if you want. A little more pressure on it. I think it works pretty good. I don't have any air coming through. So, all right, let me know what you think.